Hi, Ladybugs. Teacher Toby's going to read you a story. We're going on a nature hunt. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. It's time to go. We're coming to a bridge, a very narrow bridge. What's on the other side? Let's find out. Cross, cross, cross to the other side. Look at that, friends. It's a field of fluttery, buttery wildflowers. Look at those colorful flowers, but don't pick them. When they're on the ground or on the tree, we don't pick flowers. But sometimes you'll find petals just lying on the sidewalk. That's what I saw on my walk today. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a pond, a clear and sparkling pond. What's in the pond? Let's find out. Paddle, 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 paddle to the lily pad. What? It's a slippery, sloppery frog? We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a meadow, a wide and hilly meadow. What's in the ground? Let's find out. Dig, 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 down into the ground. What did they find? It's a worm. A wiggly, waggly worm, but don't hurt it. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a tree, a tall and leafy tree. What's in the tree? Let's find out. Climb, climb, climb up to the crooked branch. What do they see, friends? You're right. A nest with eggs. It's a scritchety, scratchety nest. Look at the eggs in the robin's nest. But don't touch. What's that noise? It's very close by. Bzzz, bzzz. It's making a buzzing sound. Oh, it's a beehive. Let's go, quick. Back down the tree, back through the meadow, back across the pond, back over the bridge. Phew! We're home. We went on a nature hunt. The day went by so fast. We went on a nature hunt. And now we're home at last. Thanks for listening to my story, Ladybugs. Bye. Love you.